Okay, before I start, I want to remind you that I'm old. I've been in IT since, well, actually before IT, really since around 1980. Things have changed. IT, information technology, is an industry whose one constant throughout it all has been change. Usually, when we talk about change in IT, we refer to Moore's Law, which posited that the capacity of chips, essentially the number of transistors per unit of volume, would double every 2 years. But there's another change, a more subtle one, and one that I think, in some ways, is more important today than Moore's Law. I'm going to get in trouble for that one. When I started in IT, the primary goal of IT was to do the same things we'd already been doing manually, but faster. And the key topic of discussion was the technology aspect of it. Faster computers, bigger hard drives, faster network connection. The information side of it, yeah, that was important, but we really weren't doing anything new. You could say, and I do, back then it was information technology. And that was really from the 70s through the 90s. Then we started doing actually interesting things with the data that we couldn't do before. We were getting more creative with the business and other use of the data, the information. And these new uses of the information actually drove the industry just as much as technology did. So you could actually say it was information technology. And we stayed with that for about another 15 years or so. But then, around 2010, 15 or so, things started changing again. See where I'm heading, don't you? Think of it. Most of the new innovative changes that are occurring aren't because of the technology, but are because of what we're doing with the information through the technology. All of the social media, big data, business intelligence, artificial, Internet of Things are how we're using that data and that information. And sure, we can do that because of the technology, but the actual result, the business value, is from the information. So in my opinion, nowadays, it's information technology. So I wonder what's next. Tell me what you think in the comments below.